like to take this wonderful opportunity here as I sit and enjoy this beautiful breeze here today to invite you to a retreat, my annual Sunfired Food and Yoga Retreat in Costa Rica, Paradise, Costa Rica, at the Sunfired Culinary Institute at Aguas Claras Resort in Playa Chiquita, Costa Rica, right on the Caribbean coast of Costa Rica. What we're going to be doing is having huge, big fun doing yoga every day. And we're going to be having a variety of yoga systems that we're going to be going throughout the entire week, a different flavor of yoga each day. And along with that, of course, you know, the worlds of flavors of sun-fired foods, the sun-fired culinary cuisine at its best. So we'll be having morning walks and runs and yoga right after our first early morning sweat out, and lots of abundant fruits for breakfast, and workshops throughout the day on different yoga from different yoga schools and food preparation workshop. We'll be taking some special time out to have three outings. Well, one, we're going to be going upriver in the Kawita National Park, just rafting up the river, and that's going to take a couple of hours. We're going to be going to a botanical garden on one day, just to enjoy how, you know, the tradition of cacao or chocolate making, you know, has been done in the native communities in Costa Rica. And on another day, we're just gonna just be on the beach, you know, enjoying a good fasting day, chilling, and enjoying lots of coconut water. So it'll be great to have you at this retreat, this once a year, you know, high summer, high time, you know, retreat where we gather people from all over the world to just come to our paradise and enjoy that beautiful sunshine and all the wonderful treats that we will be able to share together that Costa Rica has to offer us. So looking forward to sharing with you, and well, I'll see you soon. See you there. All right.